In this video, you'll learn the O sound. The letters O and R together make the O sound. So when you see the letters O and R in words, usually it makes the O sound. To remember the O sound, we put our hands by our eyes and we close them and say O, O, O. Let's practice that some more. O, O, O. Great. Let's practice reading some O words, some O sound in words. S, O, T, S, O, T, sort. F, O, F, O, for. K, ok, K, ok, cork. Sh, O, T, short, short. K, O, K, O, corn. T, O, T, O, torn. H, O, H, O, horn. Kids, you did great. Keep practicing reading these words and you'll soon get them. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you the next time. I love you.